Welcome to Buddo Parents Academy. Today has been a tree planting day. We were really humbled to host KCB Bank and the people from the climate. They really graced us today with the trees, 100 trees. So we planted the trees with them, with our children involved. They taught them to preserve the environment, the importance of the trees. So as Buddo Parents Academy, we are a school that respects the environment, that respects nature, that is the school that is committed to work with any organization as long as it's nature preserving, as long as it's environment awareness. So you can also be part of us as we preserve the environment, plant the trees and change the world and maintain the environment. Thank you very much.
Okay. We're going to talk about